Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick little repair on the 2017 Mini Cooper that we have here. The Ambient Air Temperature Sensor has given us some check engine codes, so we're going to just replace that ambient air sensor, so stick with us. Okay guys, we're just reading the codes here just to show you what it looks like. So this one there, that top one, the P10EA is basically refers to the ambient air temperature sensor. So that's what we got off the internet, and we ordered one of those up. It's like 10 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are looking for it. It's a really cheap sensor, but let's go ahead and show you where that's located and get it swapped out. Okay guys, so we just have to unpop this little panel here on the driver's side. And you see it back there? Here, we'll move the camera. So the sensor, you see it back there with the two brown colored wires there. So basically, we are just going to pull up on that sensor. So I'll pull it out here, and then now you can see it right there. We just popped it right out of that hole back there. So we're going to disconnect that. So you can see the connectors right there. We'll disconnect that and we're going to pop in our new one. Alright, there's our new connector plugged in. So we will pop this cover back on and go clear the check engine light, and we should be good to go. Alright. We're going to go back here, go down to erase codes. Yes. Erase done. Sanity to continue. Alright guys, so those are the codes are cleared. So we will start this thing up here and see if we get a good reading. Alright, check engine light is off guys, and we've got a reading of 74 degrees. Which seems like it's working better than it was, because it was stuck at 70 degrees no matter what temperature it was. And if I look at my phone here right now today, we are at temperature 75, it says by my phone. So 74 is pretty close, so I think that took care of our issue. If you guys have any questions for me, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.